Manila Finest?
Nag-enjoy po ako. Nag-enjoy po.
Madalang ka kasi makita sa pelikula.
Opo, opo. Pero maganda po kasi yung team na nakita ko na gagawa nito.
Yung issue last month, may comment ka ba?
Manila's Finest, happy po kami na ang dami po namin napanood.
Pero grabe yung performance mo sa Manila's Finest.
Thank you po. Thank you po.
Nakita talaga na...
Salamat po. Maiksi lang po. Maiksi
Pero
lang po.
magkado?
Salamat po. Sana po.
So what makes you consider acting in a film? Like, konti lang bang offers? Paminsan-minsan lang yung restaurant?
I mean, over the years, meron naman po. Pero, I suppose ngayon siya tumutugpak with where I am now and what I want to do. Sorry,
Anong genre pa yung
hindi ko
gusto mo?
tinatawag ako.
Hindi pa.
Ay, isang ano lang po.
Sa amin lahat, of course. Lahat na nagtrabaho sa MQuest, Spring Films. You all know the trust, no? Na naniwala sila sa akin na I can pull this off. Even with tight schedules and you know, I haven't done a film in 10 years eh. So parang everybody was wondering kakayanin ko ba. It was amazing and it went smoothly. So salamat sa lahat ng suporta. Lahat nag-suporta, nagtrabaho talaga for this film. So we're quite surprised na nabuo namin yung film the way it is. So sana panoorin ng mas maraming tao. Sana mas maraming audiences ang manood sa Metro Manila Film Festival. Ako, personal advocacy ko yan to fight for watching movies the classic way. Watch it on the big screen, no? And watch it from beginning to end. Hindi yung pinopost natin at i-rewind. Because pinaghirapan yan from pre-production, scriptwriting, editing, shooting. It was meant to be seen in its length, no? Love Diaz nga, 8 hours eh. So sana bumalik ang mga tao maniwala sa kakaibang experience of watching the movies on the big